everyone, Archana here. You guys must have come across many interesting facts. I'm here today to share with you guys amazing facts which you might not know. And yes, if you have already come across these facts, you can leave it in the comment section and share them with your friends. Well, the very first fact, you know the 7 wonders of the earth. So out of which one is in Agra, Delhi, which is in India. So the very famous monument Taj Mahal. But do you know there is a replica of Taj Mahal in another country? Which is that country? There is a replica of Taj Mahal in Dhaka, Bangladesh. A wealthy Bangladeshi filmmaker named Hassan Ullah Moni. He started this project in the year 2008 December, and it took only 5 years for him to construct the replica of Taj Mahal, unlike the very famous monument. He built this replica of Taj Mahal so that poor people of his nation could get to see it, as the people of his nation could not afford to go to the neighboring country India and view this famous monument. The next amazing fact, we all know the very famous movie Titanic, and yes, we must have watched n number of times. But did you know it cost about $7 million to build this ship Titanic, and it cost about $200 million to make a film about it. The next amazing fact, we all do wear t-shirts, and yes, we are more comfortable in wearing t-shirts rather than wearing formals. But do you know when t-shirt was invented and the reason behind it? T-shirt was invented in the year 1904, and t-shirt was mostly invented for bachelors who could not sew or replace buttons of the shirts, and it could be easy for the bachelors to wear t-shirts. When we talk about handwriting, few people are really good in handwriting, and yes, few people are not that good in handwriting because all 5 fingers are not same. But people who do not have a good handwriting always have a bit of inferiority complex. According to studies, people with bad handwriting are always gifted people because their brain works faster than their hands. So people with bad handwriting need not feel bad that their handwriting is really bad, because you guys are also gifted. What is misophonia? When you're along with your friends or with family, with a group of people, you might hate the sound of chewing, dripping water, or tapping sound of pencil. So if you hate these sounds, it is called misophonia, and yes, it is a kind of brain disorder. Bear Grylls, this man who broke his back after falling from 16,000 feet due to torn parachute. Doctor said he would never walk again, but after 2 years he climbed Mount Everest. So this was possible only because of his willpower. Many of us would have experienced when we are fast asleep and suddenly when we wake up, we won't know what day it is, and sometimes we tend to think today is what day. But there is a girl named Riley Honor from Kirkland. This girl is suffering from brain injury that makes her memory restart every 2 hours, and whenever she sleeps and wakes up, she thinks every day is June 11th. You all must be watching cartoons, and yes, if you have kids at your home, you must be watching cartoons, or your kids would be watching cartoons. But the very famous cartoons like Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, Powerman, and lots more. Do you know who invented these cartoons? A man named Fujiko Fujio, a Japanese cartoonist who spent 40 years of his career as cartoonist. I will ask you a simple question. Do you know to read clock? You must be thinking, why are you asking such silly question? There is a clock, but nobody knows how to read it. World's oldest astronomical clock still in operation in Prague, but nobody knows how to read it. This clock is installed in 1410, located on the World Town City Hall in Prague's Old Town Square. You all know the very famous actor Leonardo DiCaprio, but do you know he was named after Leonardo da Vinci? You must be thinking, how is it possible? DiCaprio was named after Leonardo because his pregnant mother was looking at Leonardo da Vinci painting at Uffizi Museum in Florence, Italy when he first came. We all do online shopping, and yes, online shopping is so famous nowadays that all of us want to do online shopping, and we are more comfortable doing online shopping sitting at home. But do you know a man ordered a flat screen TV in the year 2012 on Amazon, but in turn, you have any guesses what he received? He received an assault rifle instead of a flat screen TV. Do you want to purchase a car? And if you want to purchase, which car would you purchase? And what would you do with that car? Of course, you would roam. But a man purchased Rolls-Royce and he used it for garbage collectors. Shocking, isn't it? Maharaja Jai Singh from Alwar purchased 6 Rolls-Royce and he used all the 6 cars as garbage collectors. Just because a salesman in London insulted him that he could not afford to buy the car. He made it a point that he will buy 6 Rolls-Royce and he used it as garbage collectors. You must have come across teddy bears in cars. But if you see a teddy bear in car, what would you assume? You would assume they have a child, so they have a teddy bear in their car. But what if you see a teddy bear in a policeman car? When we talk about teddy bear, most of us would love to have teddy bear, and yes, they love to hug and sleep, and every child loves soft toys. They would love to hug teddy bear. But do you know there is a country where a police car will always have teddy bear as an emergency response kit. In case something trouble happening to a child, they just give the teddy bear to the child so that when the child hugs the teddy bear, it gives a support to the child. So this country is Dutch. So in Dutch, every police car is equipped with teddy bear as an emergency response kit. When we travel in train, there are many passengers. And yes, if there are no passengers in a particular station, they shut the station. But there is one station in Japan named Hokkaido, where this remote station is open just for one schoolgirl. And now they have kept the station open just because of this one particular girl until she graduates. So don't you think it's very appreciating? Next interesting fact. When we talk about Tesla, what comes to your mind first? Tesla is equal to Elon Musk. So there is an interesting fact about Elon Musk. At the age of 17, Elon Musk was retested for a computer aptitude test as his score was too high, and the examiners were surprised to see such a high score. So Elon Musk was retested again for his computer aptitude test. Well, these were few amazing facts. I'm sure most of you all wouldn't have come across these facts. So share them with your friends. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.